Hey you guys, today we're going to learn how to make cornmeal mush. It's super simple, super fast, and it's a great thing to know how to make if you're a prepper or if you're just sort of hitting hard times and don't have a lot of money to spend on food. So the first thing that you're going to need is the cornmeal, and you want to make sure you buy 100% cornmeal. You don't want to get a cornmeal mix because that has other ingredients in it that'll change the texture. So just regular old cornmeal, any brand will do. The next thing you want is water. This is 4 cups of water. We're going to boil 3 cups right now, then we're going to use the other cup to pre-mix the cornmeal. So my water's in here, and I'm going to put 1 cup of the cornmeal in here. It's about 1 cup of water in the bowl. And then I'm going to use a whisk to mix it up. You want to start whisking it right away, otherwise it tends to clump. The cornmeal in, it's all mixed up in the colder water. Now we're going to add it into the hotter water, and then we're going to mix it. Oop, making a little bit of mess here. I can already feel it starting to thicken up. So I just keep mixing it, and underneath, it's like kind of on the bottom, you can really feel it thickening up. Oh, there you go. You can kind of start to see it now. So this is what you're looking for. It's sort of thickened, kind of like a pudding. As it cools, it's going to get a little bit more solidified. I'm going to dish up 1 serving. That's only about half of the cornmeal, so this is about a 39-cent meal right here. I've got a little cinnamon sugar here. You could put cinnamon and brown sugar. You could put butter. You could put maple syrup or molasses, or you could just eat it plain. So I think I want to put a little bit of this on there, at least on half of it. I'm going to try it both ways. Cornmeal has a pretty mild flavor, so anything you can add to it to jazz it up really helps out. But if you're going to eat it plain, it can still offer you a very inexpensive meal. It has a very creamy texture, sort of like pudding, but without the sweet. That's really good. It's like pudding. It's like corn pudding. If you're a corn lover, you're going to love this. All right, I hope you guys make it. Let me know in the comments if you do. I'd love to hear how it goes, and I'd love to hear what you're going to put on it for a topping. All right, that's it, you guys. This is a great thing to learn how to make, whether you are a prepper and you just want to learn how to cook with the food you have stored, or if you're just someone who wants to learn how to cook with cornmeal. It's always great to learn how to make simple foods taste great. So this is one of those items. You could have it in your pantry and pull it out whenever you feel like and make something delicious. And if you're building a pantry on a budget, I say start with the basics, learn how to use them, learn how to cook with them, and then build from there. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to get more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, I thought you might like to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time.